A leaking pipe coupling on a canal bridge is replaced using rope access. Using previously installed unquestionable anchors, the engineer descends to the leaking pipe coupling. The old pipe lagging is removed using hand tools. The bolts on the coupling are exposed. And the old coupling is removed. Both ends of the exposed pipe are cleaned to ensure a good fit for the new coupling. The new coupling is fitted over the ends of the pipe, and the bolts are tightened in sequence. The replacement is made quickly with no disruption to traffic or pedestrians using the bridge.